Appearance display of the M151 IoT device 2 in 1 bracket. Install method 1 for vehicles with a built-in water bottle bracket standard 64mm aperture. Directly assemble it in the water bottle bracket hole position. Assemble the M151 IoT device properly and pay attention to the position of the wire outlet hole. Method 2. For vehicles without a water bottle bracket, use a stainless steel cable tie to fix it on a suitable vehicle pipe. Place the cable tie connector inside the bracket, tighten it with a cable tie tool, assemble the M151 IoT device properly, and pay attention to the position of the wire outlet hole.